Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and in this video I am going to give some special and new method by which you can unlock your any Android phone like Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Vivo, Oppo. Every kind of a smartphone you can unlock with the help of this method, and this method is updated in this month. I mean this November month is updated. So this latest updated method I am going to give you in this video. And for this method you don't have to pay a single penny, and the main thing is that by this method you will also save your all the data of your smartphone, like photos, video, every kind of application you can save in your smartphone. I mean to say, you're not going to losing any data of your smartphone by this method. So before wasting time, let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to eject your smartphone SIM card at the time of using this unlocking method. You may also on your phone's airplane mode option. If you're not getting this option, then eject your SIM card from your smartphone before starting this method. And so I'm going to start this method. Firstly you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get an option of airplane mode option. Okay, simply you will have to activate this. After activating this, you can see here your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network has been now switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode method. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone upside. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgot password lock, and you will get an option of emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad. Okay, now I'm going to give you some special secret codes by which your phone's all the background running application will be closed, because it's most important to close all the background running application before starting this method. And this secret code is star 000, then just a minute. Okay, 000, then star 7642 star 99, then hash. After feeding the secret code, you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After this, your phone's all the background running application will be closed. So I'm going to call on this number. You can see here you will get a pop-up of call failed. Simply ignore this with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process 3 times. After call on this secret code 3 times continuously, you will have to clear your call log like this. Now after this, your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now you will have to feed a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is star hash 899 and hash. Now you can see your phone's engineers mode has been activated, and you will get a lots of options on this page, and all the options have the specific functions to modify your smartphone. But in this video I will only give you the method how you can unlock your smartphone. Okay, so let's start this method. After this, simply you will have to go with the fifth option that is showing here software version. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will go with this option, you can see here the first option is showing here your phone's model number. You don't have to go with this option. The second option is showing here your phone's Android version model. Okay, maybe possible your Android version will be showing here 11, 13 or 10, so don't worry at all. Here my Android version is 12, so I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly. If you are getting here Android version 10, then you will have to click on this 10 times rapidly. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, now the first step has been done. After this, you will have to go with the back button, and you will get another option that is showing here manual test option above the software version. You can see here you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will reach to a new page, and the again new page is showing here engineers mode page. Okay, and you will get 3 type of option on this page. Okay, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this, simply you will have to slide your phone right side continuously until you reach to the option of others. Okay, now you can see here others option has been appeared. Okay, now you will get 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of which is showing here read write important lock test option, which is showing at the second number. Simply you will have to click on this. Okay, now after this you can see here it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm. If you will have to confirm this option with the help of a secret code, and this secret code is star 888 star 00, then star 123 13. Okay, you can also take a screenshot of this confirmation code. This code is star 888 star 00 star 13. Then after feeding this code, you will have to go with the OK button, And when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Okay, I mean to say your phone is going to unlock. After this, the last step is simply you will have to go with this option, reading reset complete indicator. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will get, if you're getting here a pass message, it means your phone is unlocked. If you're getting here a fail option, it means you have mistaken some step in this video, and you will have to follow the every step again and again until you go with the right process. Now it means this phone is completely unlocked. Now simply you will have to go with the home button. So I'm going with home button. Now you can see here this phone is completely unlocked, and all the application which were in this smartphone as it is, as in this smartphone, you can see here all the application is available here. It means this trick really works, and if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you are facing in this method. Our team will quick response on your issues with the help of WhatsApp video call, but you will have to join us our channel. Okay, thank you so much.